Last thing, because I'm mindful of running out of time. All right, organic people, because there's like 2 minutes left. The thing I want you guys to observe from the FET and from these models, which one do you think is the most useful atom?
Carbon.
Carbon. Why? It has more holes in this model, so it can bond. It can make the most as a building block. Oxygen can only, I gave a 3 one. That's confusing. Oxygen can only have 2. No, that's a weird oxygen. That didn't have been, I gave you the wrong one. Nitrogen has 3. So again, not as useful as a building block. This has lots of options on how we build stuff. So that's why carbon is our building block for life. Now, when you think about, I didn't have a chance to tell you guys this, but the columns of the periodic table are organized based on the outer shell of electrons. So if you're in column 1, you have 1 electron. If you're in column 2, you have 2 electrons. So when we go to the column 14, which has 4 electrons, the smallest atom that can do that is carbon. So that's why carbon is our building block. The next one down is silicon. Silicon could also, in theory, be a building block. But the problem is silicon is not as commonly found as carbon because it's a bigger atom. But there is theories that we could have silicon-based life.
No.
The other theory that people have is that nitrogen could potentially be a source of life because it has 3 bonds. Not as good as carbon, but in theory, you might be able to have nitrogen-based life forms. So, but for us, carbon is the important game changer. All right? So, that's it.